welcome to my channel. This is Rhowenz Rolle. For today's video, tuturuan ko po kayo step by step paano po tayo mag-register dito sa ating Gcash para makapag-invest po tayo sa Gcash GInvest. So let's start guys. Click natin view all Gcash services. Scroll down natin, hanapin itong financial services, click GInvest. Then, confirm your email address. So, dyan, lagay natin yung ating email address kasi magpapadala po sila sa atin ng email. Then, proceed. For registration, so please answer all the questions below. So, what is your net worth? Approximate, less than 1 million, 1 to 10 million pesos, 10 to 20 million pesos, 20 million pesos or more. So guys, nag-umpisa pa lang naman tayo. Click na lang natin itong less than 1 million. What is the source of your funds? Select all that apply. So click na lang natin dito guys kung ano yung prepare natin. Ito, click ko po itong income, salary, business income. What is the purpose of your investment? To prevent capital loss while generating income, to have a regular income source, to generate significant capital appreciation. So, click na lang natin itong to have a regular income source. How much do you see yourself investing? So, guys, syempre nag-umpisa lang naman pa tayo. Click na lang natin itong 1,000 or less. How frequently do you see yourself investing? Only when I have available cash? Quarterly, monthly, weekly, more frequently than once a week. Click na lang natin dito guys, itong only when I have available cash. Investment horizon, you are investing for a period of up to 2 years, 3 to 5 years, 5 to 7 years, 7 years and up. Click na lang muna natin dito, 3 to 5 years. Then, dito naman po sa scenario, how much drop loss in the value of your investment can you accept? Select na lang natin dito guys, itong up to 10%. Investment principle, for this investment, you are willing to accept low to no risk for general stability of your money, willing to accept moderate risk in return for some growth opportunity, willing to accept high risk for potentially higher return. Select na lang muna natin itong willing to accept moderate risk. Then dito guys, select natin dito. Start pa lang naman tayo. I am a new. Which of the following have you invested in? Select na lang din natin dito guys kung anong prepare natin na answer. Structured financial products. To have a regular liquidity requirement, yes, I will be regularly withdrawing from my investment. I have other liquidity sources and will not be withdrawing from my investment. Dito guys, click na lang natin itong will not be withdrawing. Then next, fund eligibility and limitation. So, dito daw, confirm natin if US person. So, click na lang natin dito guys, no. So, yan po, nakaklik naman na nga po siya. So, next. So, please check all your answers before proceeding. Yan guys. So, yung mga answer natin kanina, isa-isa, pwede natin dito i-check para kung mayroon tayong pwedeng baguhin, edit na lang po natin dyan. So, yan. So, okay naman. So, dito nakalagay, I certify that I have read, understood, and hereby agree to the terms and conditions of this service and consent to sharing this Gcash product provider, partners, and regulators all information I have and will disclose to Gcash. So, click na lang natin. Yan. Ayan guys, user agreement, terms and condition. Basahin po natin yan guys. Yan, medyo mahaba po ito. Yan. These terms and conditions are also available for viewing on the webpage of Business Money on Gcash website. Definition of terms: invest money, registration, unit investment, trust fund, mutual fund. Yan. guys, data sharing, registration and product application, terms of investing, transactional limits, transaction cut-off times, global feeder funds restrictions, customer service, exclusion from liability, prohibition of use, suspension of invest money and partnership termination, intellectual property rights. Guys, medyo mahaba po yan. Then, confirm na natin. So, yan guys. Ito po, nakalagay na siya. Your risk profile is moderately conservative. Yun. So, yan guys. Meron na silang ipapadala sa atin para po sa registration natin. Na-approve na po yung ating registration. So, guys, ito na yung aking na-receive na text galing sa GInvest. Yan, nakalagay na. Hi, Maria Rowena. Thank you for your interest in GInvest. We have sent your registration details to our partner plan providers for the review, and we will notify you via email and SMS as soon as your registration has been approved. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Gcash. Balik na tayo dito para ma-check natin yung sa GInvest na natin na natapos na nating i-register. So, yan guys, meron na tayong available balance. Yan. Check natin view all Gcash services. Scroll down ulit natin. Select natin financial services, GInvest. So, yan guys, nakikita na natin na itong GInvest, 00 pa yan. Total market value of investment. Try po natin itong i-view yung mga investment products. Isa-isa na rin po natin. Yan. Meron siyang global, pang-aggressive, Philippine stock, aggressive, peso money return, market fund, return, peso bond. Yan guys, marami po tayong pagpipilian. Pwede ko itong sa isahin na lang po muna natin. Ma-check natin yung details. Ito guys, for 1,000 amount. Yung kanyang ano. Pero naka-negative po siya. Pangit yun ah. Hindi ko yan ilalagay. Mali pala yung number 1. Hindi ko pipiliin yon. So, ayan guys. Nandito na yung ating pwedeng pagpilian kung saan po natin gustong mag-invest. Yan, 4 po yan. Yan, yan 8RAM total return peso bond fund, 8RAM Philippine equity smart index, 8RAM global consumer trends feeder, 8RAM global technology feeder fund. Select na lang po natin guys. Check na lang natin. Ito guys, for 50 pesos, pwede na rin tayo dito makapag-start mag-invest. And then for 1 year, meron na rin po itong return na 1.12%. Philippine equity, 50 pesos then. For 1 year, then in return niya ay 7.56%. Global Consumer Index, 1,000. Aggressive. Global Technology. Yan din naman, 1,000. Select na lang muna natin dito guys, itong Philippine Equity Smart Index. Yan, for 50 pesos, makakapag-invest na tayo. Buy na po natin. Yan, may note siya. Be mindful of your risk appetite. The fund you wish to buy has a higher risk rating than your risk appetite. If you proceed, you acknowledge that you are aware of the potential risk involved in investing in this fund. So, pwede tayo mag-proceed, pwede mag-cancel. So, proceed po natin guys. Yan guys. Product application. Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. I agree to the fund's participation. Key information investment. Yan, click na lang natin. Yan. Agreement. Yan, basa-basahin na lang natin dyan guys. Trust agreement. Yan. I agree the funds. Ayan. Investment trust fund risk disclosure statement. Investment trust fund risk disclosure statement. Close na natin. I agree to the funds. Amended declaration of trust. Medyo maliliit siya guys. Yan, mahaba yung kanyang contract. So yan, close na natin and then proceed. Yan guys. So enter na natin yung amount. 50 pesos. So tayo na muna natin 100 pesos kasi minimum naman niya ay 50 pesos. Yan. Click lang natin. Scroll na lang natin. Then close na natin guys, then confirm. Click na natin. So yun guys, nakapag-place na ako ng order. Diba? Napakasimple lang po gawin dito sa ating Gcash investment. That's all guys. So yun po, maraming salamat sa patuloy po ninyong ano po sa aking video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.